Hey theme lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today I have brought 5 brand new HyperOS themes that will completely change the look of your phone, making it feel more premium, clean and super smooth. And trust me, the 4th theme is just so make sure you watch it till the end. And the best part is all these themes are available on the theme store, so no need to worry about any backup and restore method. Friends, if we talk about these 5 HyperOS themes, as usual, let's start with the lock screen. And for this, we are going to use our stock lock screen. So go to the lock screen. Then tap on Customize lock screen. And from the people layout, select this clock format. Now tap on Customize. And first select the wallpaper. Then tap on clock style and select the font. For the primary color, set it to white, and for the secondary color, select orange. Then drag it slightly to the left side to match the jacket color. Then tap on apply. And boom, your lock screen is successfully applied. Now let's move to the home screen, where first we will talk about the clock widget. This is a centered clock widget with a slightly liquid glass effect which shows both time and date. And to apply this clock widget, you have to apply the theme Crypto as a home screen or as a favorite tray. Next, if we talk about the icons, these icons are perfect for users who are looking for HyperOS 3 dark icons for their HyperOS 3 or HyperOS 2 device. And to apply these icons, you have to apply the theme HyperOS 3 as icons. Now coming to the main element of this theme, the control center. And for this, we have 2 themes. The first one is for those users who want changes in their stock control center with more toggles, but without compromising the liquid glass effect. And the best thing is all these extra toggles are working perfectly on HyperOS 3, as you can see on the screen. And to apply this control center, you have to apply the theme Covalent V2 as system. But if you want a dark vibe on the control center with a minimalist look on the same layout, then apply the theme Businessman 3 first as a status bar, then apply the same theme as system. After that, you will get a dark toggle control center with a minimalist vibe and an orange accent color. Lastly, apply the second wallpaper as your home screen wallpaper. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked this customized theme setup. If yes, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing HyperOS themes. And tell me in the comments which element is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep customizing.